What's up everybody? In this video we're going to cover why you need to consider ManyChat to sell, connect with your audience, and stay top of mind. Now if you don't know what ManyChat is, basically it is a platform that allows you to build out message sequences and automations to be able to market to people through the Facebook Messenger platform. It is a million times better than email marketing in my opinion, so I highly recommend that you check them out, start learning about ManyChat, start learning about Facebook Messenger marketing, and in this video we're going to cover some of the reasons why you need to consider going in on ManyChat in a major way. So in this video we're going to cover how you can engage with your audience closer using Facebook Messenger and ManyChat, how you can enhance the experience that your users have when interacting with your brand, how you can increase your open rates and click-through rates. Now this is the biggest one that I have actually noticed because we do a lot of email marketing here in the agency, and when you compare the open rates of email versus the open rates of ManyChat and Facebook Messenger, it's insanely different because open rates on email on average are like 17 to 27%, where with Facebook Messenger they're like 70 to 97%. It's insane. So we highly recommend, again, I'm just gonna be all about ManyChat in this video. So you're gonna increase your open rates going with that, and you're gonna grow your audience at a much lower cost using this new platform, and you're gonna be able to engage with them a lot closer because of how people are currently using Facebook Messenger. Now that may change as we go forward into the future, because what happened with email when it first came out was a lot of people were checking their emails really closely, but then as it started to get very saturated and a lot of businesses started to use email marketing, a lot of people were just getting inundated with junk, so they kind of pushed away their email, and now they're using other platforms like social media and things like that. So before we jump into this presentation, this video that I have prepared for you guys, I wanted to tell you about our free ManyChat cheat sheet, where you are going to learn the 11 crucial features that your ManyChat bot must have. Now, if you're just getting started into the ManyChat and Messenger community and trying to learn about this stuff, then this is an amazing resource for you to pick up. It's 100% free. We've spent hours on putting this thing together, so if you want to download it, either click the link in this video description or go to bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. That's bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. You can download it there. We're gonna send it over to you in Messenger, and then you'll be able to download it. And we also created a tutorial video going over what is all included in the cheat sheet. So for people like me that are not so much readers and you're more visual, you're more watching, we have a lot of information covered in that tutorial video. So you're gonna get the PDF cheat sheet and you're gonna get the video to watch. So check that out. It's 100% free. Definitely worth going and getting. So ManyChat is truly all-in-one. It works for e-com businesses, brick-and-mortar businesses, freelance marketing professionals are using it like crazy right now, and a lot of digital agencies are jumping on this bandwagon very quickly, and it's because it's cutting-edge stuff. This is brand new technology, and if you are not jumping on it right away, then you're gonna be jumping on when it's too late, and everybody's jumping on it, so you need to be jumping on it right now. You're gonna be able to provide your customers with personalized one-on-one experience and being able to connect with them back and forth, where with email, it's kind of just so one-sided. It's like a one-way street. You just send traffic to it, they read it, and nobody's replying to emails these days. So with ManyChat and with Facebook Messenger, people are replying back and forth, and that's why the click-through rates and the open rates are so much higher, is because you're getting that conversation going back and forth, and that's how you build the relationship, the credibility, the familiarity, the trust, everything that is needed in order to get that person from cold traffic, warm them up, get them interested in your brand, and then convert them into a customer. ManyChat will collect data for you and then send that data wherever you want using third-party companies like Zapier. So you can have the user answer a lot of questions, you collect all that information, you send the email to your email software, you send the phone number that you get to your text message marketing software if you want to do that, or you just keep it on file. You save all the information that you grab from ManyChat, send it over to a Google Sheet, send it over to a notification email. You can collect all this information and then zap it into different places using Zapier. So you can use it for communicating almost anything to your audience. You can capture registrations, you can do giveaways, you can do webinar registrations, event registrations. Basically, whenever you're trying to get somebody to fill out a lead form and get information from them, you can use Messenger as that platform to be able to acquire that information from them and then zap it anywhere you want to whatever third-party software that integrates with Zapier. Or with Zapier. I always call it Zapier or Zapier. I always go back and forth. But anyway, you can deliver lead magnets. So in the same way that I just told you about the cheat sheet, that is a lead magnet. It's a free thing that we give away, and I'm going to give it to you through Messenger. So you're going to opt in to our Messenger bot, our little subscription where you're going to receive a lot of helpful information and videos, and then we're going to give you that cheat sheet. And you're going to be able to go through that, watch the video, and learn a whole bunch of stuff. And you can use that with your own business when you're giving away freebies to give people a taste of the value that you can bring to them. You can deliver that stuff using Messenger, and it's a lot higher probability that it's going to be opened and actually consumed, which is really the whole reason why we give away free stuff in the first place, right? You can also survey and quiz your audience in exchange for promo codes, those freebies that we talked about, products, different things like that. You can ask them a series of questions, and you can call it a quiz or something fun because it's in a series one by one. It's not just a big old form that they're going to look at and just be intimidated by and not even want to do anything because they're like, oh my God, this is like 30 questions. I don't want to spend the next hour answering all these questions. But if you present it to them one by one, an hour passes by and they're like, holy crap, I've been answering this form, but it's been fun. It's been, cool gifts and media has been sent my way. So it's more than just a form. You're creating an experience that people are having with your brand. And it's also helping you to collect information, and it's also helping them to build a relationship. And I mean, you got to check this stuff out. Do I sound like I'm a big fan of ManyChat? I think I do, because I am. So anyway, you can sell, upsell, cross-sell, multi-sell, plus sell, all the cells. There's a lot of different cells. Cell membranes. I'm just kidding. So you can collect payments via Stripe. You can integrate your Stripe account with your ManyChat account, and they can play together. And you can get people to buy stuff through your actual ManyChat messages and things like that, which is nuts. It's like being able to send somebody a message and then them being able to check out and collect payment method right there on the spot. Just you could literally, if you had the audience of 100,000 people and you wanted to do a flash sale, you send out one message, and within a couple minutes or a couple hours, you could generate a couple $1,000s, and that would be pretty awesome in my opinion. You can use it as customer support or to answer frequently asked questions and things like this. So, it's a two-way communication channel. There is a lot you can do with it. So if you just take a peek, just take a little look at the data, you can see that Forbes is already talking about Facebook Messenger, and very soon they'll be talking about ManyChat. ManyChat is just the platform that allows you to utilize and build stuff inside Facebook Messenger. So Forbes is saying that Messenger now has over 1.2 billion monthly users. That's monthly users. That's pretty freaking crazy. I wish that I had a billion of anything. But yeah, so you can, there's a lot of people that you can reach through Messenger. A lot of people are using Messenger to communicate with their family and friends. It's a very warm environment that they just communicate naturally through. So for you to fit in there, in with their warm communications and conversations that are going on, it's going to really help your brand be warm and trustworthy for them. So Messenger is expected to be one of the largest marketing channels in the world. Back in the day, if we literally rewound this to when email was on the cutting edge, people were saying the same stuff about email. Email's had its huge rise and now it's going through its fall. And as a lot of people are leaving email, they're going to other places like Messenger, like all these other apps that are coming out, like text message marketing, like video, like Snapchat, Facebook ads, and all this crazy stuff. So it's just a place where people are going to, and if you can get ahead of the curve and jump on this new platform and way of reaching people, then you're gonna really benefit your business and benefit your back pocket. So another thing, what I talked about before, is the open and click-through rates on average are 75% higher than most email campaigns. If you do this right, if you have the great marketing message and you're able to talk to people in a way and give them value, you can get much higher open rates than what you're even seeing, 75% higher than what your email rates are. So it really comes down to strategy, being able to give that free value, make it an experience, make it entertaining and fun to engage with your messenger bot, because you can do cool things like GIF images where they're like short little videos. You can do audio clips, short little video clips. You can have people download a file right from the message. You can ask them a question, they answer back. I mean, more features are going to be rolling out here very soon, but that is just a couple of things that you can do which you cannot currently do in email. So the next steps, the things that I recommend to you is to start building your ManyChat subscriber list in the same way that you would build an email list, where you start giving away free things by telling them, hey, what's your email? I'll shoot you over this free thing, this really awesome thing that I have. What's your email? So you get people to click on your ManyChat growth tool link. You connect your ManyChat growth tool subscriber list with a Facebook ad. And these are all stuff that I talk about in our ManyChat cheat sheet, 100% free again. So go to bit.ly/MC cheat sheet to get that. I'm gonna talk about that here in a second here too, but you can get what I just said. You have a free incentive for getting people to come from your email list to your ManyChat messenger subscriber list. So if you already have an email list, even if it's small, like 500 or 1,000 or even 2,000, send out an email blast, say, hey, we've just created this really awesome thing. Let's just call it a ManyChat cheat sheet. We've just created a really awesome ManyChat cheat sheet where we cover the 11 most crucial features that you need to make sure that you're using in your ManyChat messenger bot. So click on this link right here and go download this free ManyChat cheat sheet. So that link that they click is then going to send them a Facebook message. And you also want to be very clear and tell them, hey, we are going to send it to you through Facebook Messenger. So click this link, you're going to be sent a message, you're going to want to go into your messenger, open that message, and then go through the next steps, because you're not going to want to miss this freebie that we're giving out. It's going to be very powerful. So back to the freebie. This is very, very good. I'm telling you, we spent hours on this, and you're getting a tutorial video with this free cheat sheet. So I highly recommend that you download this thing. We're not going to spam you out like crazy like a lot of these other internet marketers do. We just want to give you some free value. We just want to show you that we can help you. We know what we're talking about. So if you're interested in learning this ManyChat bot stuff, this messenger marketing automation stuff, and you want to know the 11 amazing features that we highly recommend that you have in your messenger bot, then go to right here, this link, bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. That's bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. There may also be a link in this video description. Download this cheat sheet and get to learning some really good stuff, and get the ball rolling with your whole ManyChat subscriber list. Because even if you only have 1 subscriber a week, and then you pick that up to 3 subscribers a week, and then you go to 20 subscribers a week, and progress is progress. So start making some progress. You don't have to get a pro account. It's free to join. You would think that I work for ManyChat of how high I talk about it, but I don't. I don't work for ManyChat at all. I work with ManyChat, and I make some good money off ManyChat, and I really deliver a lot of value for my clients because we do a lot of ManyChat build-outs and messenger marketing campaigns. But anyway, hope you got a lot of value from this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.